In this video, we'll discuss how to form an LLC to hold title to your cryptocurrency assets. And if you're a cryptolifer who buys lots of crypto, you're going to want to pay very close attention here. So why should you use an LLC to hold title to your crypto assets? Well, this is because the LLC is the best entity to use to properly protect your personal assets. And this is because LLCs limit the owner's liability in the event that they're sued personally. So as an example here, let's say that there's a person that owns crypto and they get sued because they get into a car accident with someone. Well, if those crypto assets are held in an LLC, it'll be a lot harder for that car wreck victim to reach the assets inside of them. And this is because LLCs in some states offer the charging order protection. And these are in states like Wyoming and Nevada. And if you hold title to crypto assets that are greater than 5 figures, you're going to want to make sure that those assets are off the table during that lawsuit. And this is especially true if you own Cardano, XRP, Chainlink, and Solana. So how do you form an LLC to hold title to your crypto assets? Well, first of all, you're going to want to set up an LLC in either Nevada or Wyoming. Now, both of these states offer the charging order protection, but both of them also offer different benefits. As for Wyoming, Wyoming's really advantageous because your name is not listed on the Secretary of State's website. So if you set up an LLC there and you get sued, that person will not be able to find your name on the Wyoming Secretary of State's website. So in that case, Wyoming LLCs offer you anonymity. The second benefit to Wyoming is that it's a very affordable option. As of right now, it only costs $100 to set up a Wyoming LLC, and the annual filing fees are $62 a year. But Wyoming also has a franchise fee for assets that are held inside the Wyoming LLC. So if you have a crypto bank account that's held inside a Wyoming LLC, you're going to have to pay a franchise fee on the assets that are held inside that account. Now, if you set up an LLC in Nevada, Nevada does not have this franchise fee. So if you hold crypto assets that are worth more than $2 million, you'd actually be saving money every year by setting up an LLC in Nevada for your crypto assets. But on the same token, a Nevada LLC is less affordable than a Wyoming LLC. And this is because Nevada LLCs cost $425 to form, and their annual filing fees are $350 a year. And another disadvantage to setting up in Nevada is that your name is listed on the Nevada Secretary of State's website. Now, if you want to set up an LLC to hold title to your cryptocurrency assets, both are good options. However, if you value privacy, then setting up a Wyoming LLC may be the best course of action for you. But on the other hand, if you hold crypto assets that are worth more than $2 million and you don't care about privacy as much, then in that situation, a Nevada LLC may be the best choice for you. So, if you set up a crypto LLC, how do you properly transfer your crypto assets from your individual name into the LLC? Well, what you'll want to do is you'll want to list the crypto wallet addresses in your operating agreement. And on top of that, you're also going to want to prepare a bill of sale or a transfer agreement that transfers title of those crypto assets from your individual name into the name of the new LLC. And you'll want to make sure that this transfer agreement or bill of sale is notarized. And having this notary is really important because it's a timestamp for when you transferred those assets from your individual name into the name of the new crypto LLC. Now, this comes in really handy because if there's any disputes in the future, this notarized document that shows that you transferred your crypto assets into an LLC will hold up in court. And if you're looking for a notary to notarize this document, well, you could either go to a title company or a bank to properly notarize that bill of sale or transfer agreement. So, if you have a new crypto LLC, how do you set up a bank account for that LLC? Now, before you set up this bank account, you need to know that there's some banks that don't permit setting up an account for cryptocurrency purposes. And if that's the case, you'll need to tell the bank that you're going to use this LLC bank account for investment purposes. And these purposes can be for things like stocks, bonds, cash, and other paper assets. Now, when you set up this LLC bank account, if you use it for investment purposes, I recommend using it both as a business brokerage account to invest in stocks and bonds, as well as using that account to invest in your cryptocurrency assets. Now, another thing I should mention is that when you set up this account, you must make sure that it's a business account and not an individual account. And this is because there are companies out there like Kraken that have two separate types of accounts. And when you set it up, you're going to want to make sure that you're setting up the proper one. And if you set up a business account, they may require you to submit additional information to them before they open one for you. And these can be things like the articles of organization, the operating agreement, the EIN number, as well as personal information about yourself. So just be on the lookout for that. Now, with all of this in mind, if you want to set up a crypto LLC, we here at Corporate Direct would be more than happy to help you out. In fact, we also offer a specific crypto package for people who invest in cryptocurrency assets. And if you're interested in this package, you can schedule a free 15-minute consultation by clicking the link in the description below. I also have a new book called The 5 Tricks to Teach Your Kids About Money. You can download the book for free by clicking the link in the description below. If you're looking to start a business, you can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us at Corporate Direct by also clicking the link in the description below. And as always, please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on that notification bell. And I should warn you, the contents of this video are not legal advice and no attorney-client relationship has been formed.